Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Whether it be a date with your significant other or a dinner plan with a bunch of friends, Valentine's Day is all about celebrating it with your loved ones. You have probably picked a place and chosen a dress, and I am here to show you the perfect makeup look which will make your night even more special. If you want to switch it up and make it a little more subtle, then you can go for a nude or a pink lipstick. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this look, and while you're doing that, don't forget to check out our POPxo shop. We have a lot of amazing stuff like laptop sleeves, phone covers, notebooks and so much more. So check out the link in the description box below, and happy shopping. For more such makeup and skincare tips, keep watching POPxo Beauty.